Hey guys, Jackie. Welcome back to my channel. I have a suitcase out. You guys already know the dealio. We're gonna do a pack with me. I'm not gonna tell you guys exactly where I'm going yet, but hopefully these mermaid waves are gonna give you guys a hint. So let me know down below where you think I'll be going to escape this year's winter. I know it's a bit messy right now, but I'm gonna reorganize it after showing you guys what I'm bringing. Only going for a week, but I have quite a lot in here to get through, so let's get on with the video. So starting off with the bikinis, I do have some bright ass colored ones. Like I have a yellow set. These are the bottoms, and I really love how they fit. They're a little bit more highlight, which I like. It accentuates my short 5'4" legs. This is from SHEIN, and I really love how all of the tops has like a little clasp at the back. It makes putting on super easy. So this one's a bit different. There is like a tie in the front where you could kind of cinch in this upper part, so it kind of like brings in your tatas a little closer. Makes it look super flattering. It's not your typical swimwear material like that scuba. The material kind of reminds me of like a ribbed shirt, which is kind of weird for like a bikini, but I just really love the color on me, and I can just imagine my sun-kissed skin with this bright color. Chef's kiss. Next bright color I have is this neon green. Okay, it's not neon. It shows up neon on screen, but it's like a lime green, also with the highlight situation. It's also a cup top, and then has like a tie in the middle. The back is also a clasp, so it's easy to put on, and I love how the straps are adjustable. I prefer this over tie string because tie strings hurt my hair, if that makes sense. Like I have a lot of baby hairs and it always gets clipped in between when I'm tying a knot, so I really love these SHEIN ones. Okay, this next one is a tie string top. I know I just said that I usually don't like them because they clip my hair, but this one is a little different. This is like a 2-in-1 because it is reversible. On one side you have this peachy colored one, and then on the flip side you do have a white, but because the peach kind of peeks through, it's kind of like a pinkish beige. I feel like a 2-in-1 moment. I don't have to bring like an extra bikini. If I want a white top, I have it right here. And this one I got from ASOS, but it's originally from Topshop. This one is also not part of a set, but I just really liked it for the color. It is this denim blue one. This one is also from SHEIN, and it doesn't have a clasp in the back. Instead, I do have a tie. This is gonna be a problem. I probably need help to get into this one, but I just think it's so elegant, simple, you know. Obviously you can never go wrong with like a basic black bottom, so I have two here. Both of these are from SHEIN, I believe. This one is in the exact same material as that blue top, super like nice and like, you know, scuba material. But this one is a little different because the waistband is like a little adjustable. Like you could kind of cinch it in or make it a little wider and have more coverage if you want to. I thought this would be a nice staple. And then the other black one that I got is kind of in a similar silhouette. It has a high leg line, and the back has a bit of ruching, so it's going to accentuate your bum bum. I love that. The last set of bikini I have is also from SHEIN. It is in a similar denim blue, but this is the same ribbed material as the first yellow one I showed you. This is in a bralette cutting, so there is no clasp or anything. You just kind of put it over your head, but the straps are adjustable. The pair of bottoms that go with that is super high-waisted. Like this is probably the most high-waisted pair of bikini bottoms I have. The next category is top. So for top, I didn't know what the vibe was gonna be, so I packed a bunch of like basic colors. When I travel, I always bring like basic tops, tank tops and stuff, because you can kind of layer it and interchange it with the bottoms and you have a whole new outfit. I have a tank top in black. This one is from Zara. It has like really nice elastic and it's ribbed and seamless. And then I have this one. You guys all know where this white one is from. Primark, my love. I have this racer one in a baby blue. This one is from H&M. I really love how thick it is. It just holds me in super well, and I was just thinking it would be like a really casual outfit with some shorts or something like that. I also have this like fun top. I have worn this last time when I went to Aruba, but I didn't really like wear it out and like take a picture in. So if a picture in this does not exist, I did not wear it. So here we go, round two. And then I do have two t-shirts. The first one, you guys know it's from Zara. I really love the detailing and the color. Adds a bit more to an outfit. Washed out pale blue shirt. This one is from John J. Galt, which is like Brandy Melville's sister brand or something like that. It's not too white, but it's not too yellow. Like I feel like this is the perfect shade for like if you don't want to block color your outfit, this is the one to go. And then for funsies, like I realized I've never really wore this yet, so I just decided to pack it along. Maybe I'll get a wear out of this. It is a bodysuit. It's completely ruched and it's mesh. It feels really good on the inside. It has like this nice slinky material, and I don't know, I just feel like this could be kind of like with slacks, it would be cute or something like that. Maybe for like a night out, but like not a bougie night out, if that makes sense. Like this is kind of like a night dinner type of feel. Next up, I think we should go into like bottoms. I did bring a few options of shorts and skirts. First one is this pink frilly one. Super fun, and I feel like the floral just like is so cute. This one is from Zara. It's actually a skirt, so it has like pants at the bottom, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but the silhouette is kind of like a V cut. Like in the front and back it kind of dips lower. Yeah, I don't know, it just reminds me of like a ballerina. Super cute and flowy, and it's also satin, so it's gonna be super breathable. Okay, and this next one I'm actually torn. I recently got this in another color, but I have worn the black one on my Instagram already, so I'm like hesitant to bring it again. It is the tennis skirt from SHEIN. This is a navy one. It's also a pair of skorts, but I love the dry fit material of it. Like I feel like if we ever go hiking or any outdoors activity where I do want to look cute but practical, this is the one to go. It has a pocket on like the inside short as well. It's on the right hand side. Super practical to hold your phone or anything emergency. And the front is also a V cut, so it's gonna be super flattering on the waistline. I am hesitant because I don't know if I want to bring the black one or the navy one. The black one is already on my Instagram. I don't know if I want to repeat it, but then again, like the blue also looks black, so I'm like, okay, I don't really know what to do, you know? But let me know down below if I should bring the blue or black one. Okay, shorts. I have this pair of like loungy ones. This one's from H&M. It's in this like taupey beige color. I was thinking about wearing this as a cover up or something like that because it's kind of like porous, so you can kind of see the underwear. But if you wear like a plain underwear, you don't really see it. I just thought this would be like fun to lounge around in anyways. Denim shorts, I do have two. They're literally in the same color scheme, but the silhouette is different. The first pair is from Primark. It is their mom jean fit in a light denim blue. Nothing special, just your basic average pair. Has like cuffs at the bottom, really casual. And then the next pair I've also showcased on my channel before. This one is from H&M. It is a little bit longer. It's kind of like your Bermuda shorts, but like a little shorter, if that makes sense. This one is super fun to wear because the legs are kind of like wide, so it doesn't suffocate me as much as that one does. This is just casual. And light denim blue is like the perfect shade to go for because you could literally wear it with darker color tops and lighter color tops. Okay, dresses. I do have a whole bunch just because I can't really choose what to wear. I'm only there for 7 days, honestly. Like I don't need this many dresses. It's absurd, but I just could not decide, so I thought I'd just bring everything and have options, you know? The first dress is by Princess Polly. I really love the silhouette of this, and I also did do a haul for Princess Polly. It's up on my channel, so I'll leave it up here as well as down below for you guys to check out. This one is super flattering and casual. I just thought it'd be nice for like a brunch date vibe. And then I also did get this one from Princess Polly as well. Super cute. It's white. Has like a milkmaid kind of feel to it. I really love all like the puffiness of it. The back is completely open. There is like crisscrossy lacing effect. My only issue with this is that the material is kind of thick. It's like a thick linen, and then there is a lining underneath. So this is a thicker dress, but I figured I'll wear this when it's like a little bit chilly at night. Like maybe if we're going for like an evening dinner or something and it's a little chilly, but I want to look cute, this might be the one to go with. I had this for like the longest time. This is from a brand that we shall no longer mention on my channel. If you don't know, I'll link the tea up there as well. Black dress. I got this like super long ago when I was in high school and just never got around to wear it, but I love the silhouette, and it's a crepe material, so it does feel and look a little bit more like expensive. I don't know where I'll wear this out with. Maybe if we go clubbing or something like that. Not like I do clubbing, but like, you know, if we're going out to somewhere a little bit more dress uppy, then I might. Another white dress that I got. This one is super fun. I don't know if cutouts are still a thing, but I just really loved how this one looked. This is from SHEIN. Oh my god, it looks like a mess. This one is from SHEIN. Obviously has cutouts at the waist area. It's completely satin, so the only thing I'm worried about is what if the Airbnb that we booked does not have an iron or a steamer. I'm gonna be fucked. So I'm just gonna bring this one just in case. Maybe I'll wear it, maybe I won't. The back is also backless. You have like one strand that goes across your like back area to secure the top, but you don't really have any other support. Super nice and flowy, and it is double lined, so it's not see-through at all. From Zara, I hauled it recently during their summer sale. Super flowy, and I just really love the print. It kind of goes well with like where I'm going. Really love the detailing in the front. You have like a V center, and it looks super flattering on. This is like such a throw on. Like I definitely am gonna wear this a lot because it's just so flowy. And then guys, call me a no-brainer, but I did pack a long sleeve dress. Like I don't know where the fuck I'm going with this, but I just recently hauled this one from SHEIN, and I just need to wear it. Okay guys, it is a flare sleeve bodycon dress and like this really stretchy material. Again, I don't know how cold the nights are gonna be, so I figured this might be a good idea. Honestly, I'm gonna sit on this for a while and see if it's actually like weather appropriate. I have two longer dresses. This one is super pretty by Princess Polly. It is a maxi, and I did wear this out a few times already. I had trouble walking in it because it kind of like becomes straight near the calf area, and my calves are like fucking huge, so every time I walked I would just like trip over. So I did put a slit in it. I opened up the left side so it allows me to like walk a bit more comfortable and faster. The last maxi dress I have is this fun colored one. I really love how like stretchy this whole fabric is. This is from Primark. I got it in like the sale section, and the material is kind of hard to describe. Like it is stretchy, but it has like a satin feel to it. Like maybe this is sateen. Like I think that was the other one. Okay, last few things. They don't fit into any category, but I just thought if it did get cold, maybe I want like a shrug or something. So I was just gonna bring this sleeve top. I just thought it'd be a good idea because I don't know how cold it'll get, and this doesn't really take up much space in my luggage anyways. This one was from SHEIN. I have worn this a whole bunch of times. In this creamy white color, you can never go wrong. Okay, and then I also decided to bring a pair of like black trousers. Last year, one of us did wear pants for dinner, so I was like, okay, I don't know if this year we'll be going to like a similar type of vibe, so I thought I'll bring it anyways. This material is super flowy. I actually did haul this from SHEIN recently. I showcased the beige one that I have. This is a black one, the same material. I'll go more in depth with it in the video, so I'll link it as well. I just really love the material and fit of it. It doesn't take up much space in my luggage anyways, so I thought I'd just bring it. Also, it looks super cute with heels on, so maybe I might wear it. Okay, and then for accessories, I just recently picked up this bucket hat. I don't have sun visors or like baseball caps or anything like that, so I thought a hat like this would be like perfect for most occasions, whether it be like a hike or a beach day or something like that. I could probably have a bit more shade on my face. This one is like a kind of like towel material. I don't know what that one's called, but I picked this up from Primark as well. Super cute. Okay, and now that we made a mess of my luggage, I'm gonna take my time to reorganize everything. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Comment down below where you think I'll be going. Also subscribe and put the bell on for notifications for when I'll be coming back to you with some travel vlogs. You guys already know we're super fun, super loud, so don't miss out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.